So we're out here, social distancing. Let's see this shit, Pina. What the hell? Hope you're all staying healthy. Let's get right to today's video. What's up, everybody? Justin Fio back with another video. As you guys can see here, back in the dirty Jers with my boy Diesel right here. So we're all going along dealing with this virus stuff. I have a lot of videos lined up that I'm super excited to bring out to you guys, but at the moment I'm just not trying to take the risk right now. So a lot of you guys are always asking about my dad's 6.0. I figured being in Jersey right now, it's a perfect time to give you guys a little update. The truck has reached 200,000 miles, so benchmark for sure. Truck's running good. We'll be going through it, getting some clips, all things like that. So don't forget, like, subscribe. I'd appreciate it, everybody, if you could take the time to like the video, subscribe, follow all the social medias. We reached a pretty big benchmark, 25,000 on YouTube, 10,000 on Instagram, and 10,000 on TikTok. I really appreciate all the support. Without wasting any more time, let's break right into the video. So here she sits. It's actually about 48 degrees here in Jersey. Truck hasn't been started in a couple days, so we're gonna see how this cold start is, because you guys know these 6.0's cold starts are usually pretty rowdy. So let's see if the remote start works. Hoping it does, but I guess we'll see. Let's hear this baby start up. Ah, shit. Let's try one more time. These Jersey days, man. Oh, you Southerners don't know about this. Ah, shit, man. Third time a charm? Yes, sir. Third time's a charm, baby. So we're gonna let the truck warm up here. Like I said, we'll probably take it out and go get a little bit, give you guys a little rundown on what's done to the truck for any of you guys that are new. But this thing does take some time to warm up, so let's toss some bumps on. The Pops is talking about possibly doing a burnout, so stay tuned. You guys might get lucky, so let's see how it goes. But as I wanted to show you guys here, as you see, 208,000 miles on the good old 6.0, baby. We're just gonna let it warm up a little. We'll see this, you know, coolant temp's only at 46. So obviously, we're gonna let this truck warm up for a little bit. High idle, do its thing, and then we'll be out to go get some clips and whatnot.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff.
So like I said, a lot of you guys have been asking questions about my Pop 6.0. Here it is. Just wanted to give you guys a little update on it. For any of you that may be new, there is some older videos on my channel for some more in-depth stuff. But real quick, like I said, for anyone that's new, 2006 F350 6.0 four-wheel drive, completely bulletproofed on some 35s and 20x12 Anthems. It also has a PowerMax Stage 1 turbo. And the truck also has a 4-inch MBRP straight putt. But otherwise, just wanted to give you guys an update. The truck recently went over 200,000 miles, so that's a nice milestone for the girl right there. Overall, Since it's been bulletproof, the truck has been solid. Knock on wood, thank God. The truck has been back and forth to Florida multiple times and has been overall been good. This is my dad's baby right here. For any of you guys that don't know, he bought this truck brand new and has had this thing since 2006. So this is his girl right here. We've been out having some fun with it and everything's been good. For anyone that is interested in anything else, leave it down in the comments. But giving you guys a quick little walk around while we're here. And overall, let me know what you think. This truck sounds like a jet. I think this truck sounds amazing. Also, what's your favorite sounding diesel truck? Leave that down in the comments as well. And the turbo whistle on this thing is insane. Let me pull up a couple sound clips for you guys so you can hear this thing. God damn! My boy Mattiol in the GTI came to help out and get some clips of the truck, so we're gonna get a couple sound clips of this for you guys. Thing sounds nasty. So we're out here, social distancing. The boy Pina just pulled up. He wanted to give a little burn ski for the channel, so let's see this shit, Pina. Hell yeah, baby! Out here in Mexico. Nice little tunnel action. The whistle on this truck is crazy though. Even just casually, just slightly on the pedal echoing off this warehouse. Listen to this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I covered and gave you guys a little of an update for everyone that was curious. But overall, driving this truck, it's one of those vehicles when you're driving, you just gotta smile. But otherwise, don't forget, like, subscribe, turn the bell on for notifications to always get updated. And if you guys do have any further questions, leave them in the comments. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace. So we got the rock lights all hooked up. As you guys can see, super excited about them. So I originally had the RGB, like I said. Now they added white to their actual colors here. And these things are bright for sure. So, you know, if you guys do have any questions, it is connected to an app and you could switch to basically any color, but I really do like how they added the white option. If you guys are in the market for rock lights, I will definitely check out mctuning.com. I will leave the link up on the screen, but super excited about them and they look great. Let me know what you guys think.
M-double-O, get my damn flex on. Going real hard like a DMX song. Gotta lay low in a stand back zone. Got a girl up north and a fan back home. Can't nobody do it like me, man. You can never understand, it's a G thing. I'm about to make a call to the we, man. Just a little something for the pregame. Young boy from the west, but it's love in the south. Goons on deck, put the slug to your mouth. Don't say a word if it's drugs in the house. I'ma call code red if it's bloods in the house. West Coast shit, man, I feel like Kane. Trends getting long, man, I